Dear students, today I am going to teach you one new topic, executive powers of parliament. In my previous video yesterday I have taught you legislative powers of parliament. In the legislative power I have taught you parliament is empowered to make law on union list subject, level subject, concurrent list subject, and residuary power I have taught you. Ordinances I have also taught you. So these are legislative powers. And today I would like to teach you executive power of parliament. So dear students, if question will be there, executive powers of the parliament, or how does legislature control executive, both are same. Meaning, if question will be there, how does legislature control executive or executive power of parliament, answer will be same. So two question, one answer. I am going to explain this one. Parliament is very powerful organs of government, I have taught you. And first point with reference to this topic will be there, interpellation, power of interpellation. What do you mean by this one? I have taught you in previous my videos, question hours, 0 hours I have taught you. In these time period, member of parliament can ask question in the parliament, but your Mahenser is not able to ask question in the parliament because I am not member of parliament. This power granted to only member of parliament, that he can or she can ask any question in the parliament regarding public affairs. So if member of parliament belongs to ruling party or opposition or independent, whatever, that is not issue. This is a power given to each and every member of the parliament. Okay, and by asking question, member of parliament can control government also. How? Suppose any policy made by government and people are not happy. So when member of parliament will ask question, so it will be transmitted by television, by other communication system. So that will be very negative for respective government. So that is first one, interpellation. I think all my students are getting this one. Second one, vote of no confidence. Basically, vote of no confidence will be introduced by opposition. If there is a lack of majority in the house, then only no confidence motion can be initiated in the house, and by that one legislative control executive. If a government act against the constitutional provision, it can be voted out of office by passing a vote of no confidence against the prime minister or the ministers. So one very important point is there. Suppose vote no confidence motion has been initiated against our respected defense minister Rajnath Singh, and suppose it has been passed in the Lok Sabha, it means only our defense minister Rajnath Singh will not give resignation, all entire cabinet will give a resignation. I have taught you that council of minister will work on the theory sink and swim together. In this philosophy, council of minister will be working. So this is vote on no confidence motion. Second, next one, adjournment motion. What do you mean by this one? Motion for adjournment is aimed at censuring the act of the omission and commission of the ministers. Omission and commission means, very important point I am telling. Omission and commission means what duty assigned to you, you are not discharging according to the provision of the constitution. Then the following are some of the occasion on which adjournment motion were allowed in the past, if there will be death of several persons due to consumption of the unlicensed liquor or killing of senior IPS officer. Okay, in these circumstances, adjournment motion can be initiated. Now, other motions are censure motion. What do you mean by this one? The parliament exercise its control over the government by other motion. If passed amount of the no confidence motion, they include motion of the censure against the minister, rejection of the government bill, passing of the private members bill against the wishes of the government, etc. And basically, the censure motion can be initiated in the house to criticize any government policies, and suppose it has been passed also, then also no any impact on the government. Now next one, monetary control. During the budget session, a cut motion may be moved in the parliamentary committee on the public account to ensure that public money is spent in the accordance with the parliament decision. It examine a report on the comptroller and auditor general of India. So these are executive power, or we can say by these ways legislature can control executive, and many other powers are also there. That is very very necessary to mention here. I would like to mention here this one. The parliament may alter the name boundary of the state if needed. It can also form a new state by merging the territories or existing states, or by separating a part of the territory from the state. It makes law regarding the composition, jurisdiction and the power of the Supreme Court also, and Parliament may establish a common high court for two or more than two states. So these are important point. And regarding exclusive power of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, one more video I'll make this one. So today only this much I'll teach. And again one more point I would like to mention here. So dear students, if you will pay attention in my class, so you will be very 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 comfortable. So with reference to the power of interpellation, one point is there I have forgotten. I would like to mention here. The first hour of sitting of the both houses is allotted for asking and answering of the questions. The questions are marked to obtain information on the matter of the public importance or highlight the grievances. It is a valuable device against the injustice and lawlessness of the government. Means if any lacking is there, so by asking question it will be exposed. Means government lacking will be exposed by member of parliament by asking question. So power of interpellation is a device by that one member of parliament can control government. So now again I am going to explain this one, that how legislative will control executive. First point I have taught you, again recap going to start this one. Control over executive. How? First one by power of interpellation. Second one by no confidence motion. Next one adjournment motion, and other motions of censure and monetary control like cut motion. So cut motion basically introduced by opposition also. Means they will tell that lot of money government is going to waste, so some money will be saved. Okay, so these are the main points regarding executive powers of the parliament. Okay, so dear students, so if any doubt is there regarding this topic, you can send me message. Okay, I'll sort out your problem. So if you will pay attention in my each and every video, you will be very very much comfortable. And very soon Hindi version will be also given by me, but let me complete this topic, then I'll start Hindi version also. So only this much today, and next day I'll come with another video. Thank you.